and welcome to the third installment of the Building Professional Skills for Success workshop. Today we're here at the St. Jude's Home for Girls and we have an amazing program planned. I invite you to come along and see what today's workshop is all about.
You all went through how to dress, how to write your resume, about your brand. And now I just want you all to shout for me at the top of your lungs, as loud as you can. I am awesome.
I am awesome.
One more time.
I am awesome.
Woo! Now you can sit.
So sexy brings a certain type of energy with it. So you want to not portray that on the workplace. You want to make sure that you are covered but professional. I like to say my style for dressing is fashionably modest. So I'm very fashionable, but for the most part I'll be modest, right? Because I understand that I could look real good without letting parts of my body hang out. And if you set that as a goal for yourself, you would see how amazing people be coming to you. As they do me, they come to me and I don't be letting myself hang out for fashion advice and stuff, because it's all about the confidence that you portray in what you wear.
We want to work with people who have passion, who have drive, who are interested, because it is assumed that those people are the ones who will take ownership of the role and execute the role in an efficient manner. Would you hire somebody who's not interested, Tishana? Or who's lackluster? You come for the interview and you're like, well, according to Jemiah, clueless, you're just clueless. Tell me about yourself. Well, that sounds like somebody you'd want to work with. They just say, okay, I don't know. And they have on a cut-up jeans. You think that will work? It doesn't seem so, right? Thank you. Why should we hire you? If you're asked this question, then you're in luck. There is no better setup for you to sell yourself and your skills to the interviewers, right? And I say this is so important. This right here captures your brand. All of us have a brand. All of us have a thing that we're known for, that we're really, really good at. I call this value-added opportunity. This is the opportunity to tell the company why you can add value. They ask me, why should we hire you? I believe that you should hire me because I focus on results. I am an excellent leader and I am eager to lead and demonstrate capacity for the role. I get the job done in a shorter space of time than most. And I know the thing that companies value the most is time. They want to see a turnaround time on every project, a shorter turnaround time on every project that's given. And I believe if you look at my record, it will demonstrate that I am an excellent project manager. I have over 4,500 hours in project and event management. And I know there are few people who can do the job as good as I can. I'm excited to work for your company because I see what you guys have done. You guys have exciting projects, and I know based on the information that I have that you guys have turned in your projects in time, under budget. Our core values are aligned, and I'm eager to work for you. How that sounding? Did I get the job? Yes? Who is gonna hire me? What if I'm lying? Well, you wouldn't know.
We all have something more than what they tell us, right? We are all more than what our name is, right? Yes. My name is Andrea Davis, but that doesn't define who I am. When I was born, I was given that name. I didn't choose that name, right? But that doesn't define who I am to inspire young people. So guys, we all have things that we aspire to that is bigger than ourselves. And in order for us to do that, we need to go back to believing that we could accomplish it. And I want you all to remember something. Nobody owes you anything. And some of you would have heard that from me before. Nobody owes you anything, right? So you need to have a plan for achieving those things that you all wrote down. I love planning, and sometimes I get stuck in the stage of planning. But at the end of the day, it gives me an opportunity to be very clear in what is the direction I want to take. If you don't have a plan, then could you have direction? You want to be a marine biologist?
I want to be an independent person.
All right, so Angel, wants to be an independent person and an air hostess. Guys, what are y'all seeing here?
So why is financial literacy important? It's important for us to manage our day-to-day financial responsibilities. We want financial security and independence. Independence is such a powerful word. Think about it. We want financial independence. We want to manage our debt and our expenses as we grow older. You're going to have debt, but you have to manage it well. And I know we're young now. Planning early is always best. We want to plan for our future, our retirement, and emergencies. Those are things we don't think about when we're younger.
Hi, I'm Chantal Periera. I'm the head of marketing for GMMB Group here in Trinidad and Tobago. And today we are here at the St. Jude's Homes for Girls as part of our program today with Nicole and her team to help teach the girls about the world of work, what to expect, how to write their resumes, their skills, their soft skills, their hard skills, as well as we are here to teach them about financial literacy. We believe it's very important for kids to understand the importance of savings, budgeting, and investing for their future so that they could achieve their dreams no matter what they are, as well as improving their circumstances beyond. So as GMMB, we are really happy and hopeful for these kids here in this home, and we always want to say that we have our best interests at heart when it comes to Trinidad and Tobago. Thank you.
Hi, good day. I am Andrea Davis, the manager for St. Jude's School for Girls, and we are elated to have this program here for our young ladies. 30 of our young ladies are going to be benefiting from a program of total imaging, meaning that they are preparing them for the world of work and for transitioning from a client from the institution to an adult to the work environment. So those girls are going to be involved in various techniques in terms of interviewing skills, dressing for an interview, preparing themselves mentally in terms of their whole outlook, their positive outlook for an interview, doing their research in terms of what are the steps they need to prepare for an interview. So that this team by Nicole and Andrea and that team of young ladies who have been working with us throughout the years, I think they have continued to make an impact in our young ladies' life in their preparation for transitioning. We need a lot more like this because our young people have to be prepared for the work environment. And this coming persons who are partnering with us in this environment has a very great impact on our young ladies' life, showing them actual persons who have succeeded in starting businesses, who have continued in this field of preparing persons throughout the years for interviews and making them very successful. One of the things is self-esteem. I think it's important because a lot of young people are very scared and they might be shy, and once you can get them and capture them at this stage in their lives in doing this preparation, I think it is a life skill that they will have developed and learned for the rest of their life. So once more, I would like to thank the team of Nicole and her other colleagues who are here, and Andrea, for making this opportunity available to the young ladies at St. Jude's, and we continue in this partnership. Thank you.
I am Andrea Davis. I am the CEO of Caribbean Limited, as well as the Abide Foundation. Today, the Professional Skills Workshop, hosted by Nicole and her team and sponsored by JMMB, provided a significant opportunity for the young women of the St. Jude's home in preparing them for the workplace. Now, oftentimes we focus on academics and education within the school system, but not enough is done to prepare young persons to enter the world of work. Today's workshop provided a great opportunity for the young woman to learn, the right dress code, what is professional in the workplace, even email etiquette, as well as take them through some steps as it relates to belief in themselves, as it relates to setting goals, and creating that opportunity to focus. I believe that these workshops are critical, and I really applaud Nicole and her team for the work that they continue to do throughout the schools of Trinidad and Tobago.
Hi, good day. My name is Miss Henry. I am a co-worker at St. Jude's School for Girls. Today we had a workshop for some of our residents, and it was a great, positive workshop which these residents do need, especially when leaving the establishment. We learned a lot today, a lot about financial stuff within the success for this workshop. We learned about a lot of etiquette pertaining to social media, how to groom yourself in the workplace. Some of these residents do need the encouragement to move forward in life and to pursue a lot of their goals and aspirations. I believe that all the residents that took part in this workshop today, they left with a lot of positivity and they know how to move forward in life.
Today, we just wrapped up the third workshop of the Building Professional Skills for Success at the St. Jude's Home for Girls. We had about 30 residents and the girls were amazing. We had a great time. We had GMB just really helping them with financial literacy. We had Andrea Davis talking to them about leadership. We had Kirtia Arthur just going through interview tips with them. And of course, I did the how to dress in the workplace, 5 levels of corporate attire, and how to dress for an interview. We had a great session. The girls were really engaging and outgoing, and everything just came together so beautifully. Look forward to the next workshop, loading soon.